Okay.
Wait,
Hopefully this doesn't fucking one shot again.
Akko versus Monster.
just one shot, bro. You can't. Then you don't deserve to win,
Fuck you, shut the hell up. I don't want to. I don't want to hear anything from your tier one ass.
bro. It's not my fault. You can't do any damage. You died to Betty.
Betty had no output. I couldn't do shit.
Yeah, that should be an advantage to you, but you didn't. You still died.
I only use other people's output. I can't use mine.
So
Even though I have
what?
maxed output,
Are
man.
you
What the
saying
hell?
you counter me? Is that what you're saying?
Probably. I don't know.
No, you don't. No,
The
no,
only way
no,
to cover
no.
odds. Use odds technique.
Angel. Oh my god. You do not
Is
counter me, bro.
Angel in VC?
Oh,
Angel.
Angel's here. Hey.
Actually, good question. Is there anything to prevent stun spamming?
Stun skimming now.
Reinforcement.
There's not necessarily anything to prevent spamming, but stuns don't stack. So that's one thing. So if it's, I guess that's the only really thing. Other than that, there's not really anything.
It was just in case someone just stunned and then continued to spam stun.
Yeah, there's not really anything to prevent that. I guess your best bet would be having a Shikigami that can act while you're stunned and then keep pressure on.
Oh.
LARP monster, I know what you're thinking. You're evil.
Just
Yeah,
reinforce.
speaking of Shikigami, I'll probably go and get one just to go on stun lock.
Oh, this is gonna be a complicated. I need to pick. I don't. I'm just gonna have to use any panel I can. I think with these. With this. Holy. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
And I think I have like 4 Shigami.
Yeah, you have 4. So.
Damn.
4 meat shield.
Yo, I have a question. Is there a limit to how many Shikigami we can have?
Not